Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. There's nothing better than homemade, well-seasoned food, is there? But often your hands smell like garlic and onions after preparing meals. Have you ever experienced that too? Moreover, the smell of these foods can also get stuck in utensils and hair. Luckily, there are some tricks you can use to get rid of the unwanted smell on your hands after preparing meals. With these homemade tips, you won't have to worry about garlic and onion smell on your hands anymore when you prepare a meal. You can use coffee grounds. Did you know that? The coffee grounds used to brew coffee are a great way to remove garlic and onion odor from your hands. After cutting garlic or onions, rub some coffee grounds over your hands and then wash them under running water with coconut soap or dishwashing detergent. Another cool tip is to use a little white vinegar. Just put some white vinegar in a bowl and soak your hands for 2 minutes. Then wash your hands under running water with a brush and coconut soap. And the last, perhaps the most practical tip I use in my daily life is to rub your hands and fingertips on a stainless steel spoon in cold water. Now that you know the tricks to eliminating garlic and onion odors, you won't have to worry about preparing meals with these ingredients. After you apply these techniques, the unpleasant smell will quickly disappear. If you already know them, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.